In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Google Ads dashboard. If you're just getting started with Google Ads or need a quick refresher on the dashboard's layout, you've come to the right place. The Google Ads dashboard is your command center where you can plan, execute, and analyze your advertising campaigns all in one spot. First, let's get started by heading over to Google Ads. You can do this by typing ads.google.com into your browser, which will take you to the home page, the starting point for managing your ads. Once you arrive at the Google Ads homepage, you will notice a sign in button on the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to log into your Google account associated with your ads. If you're not already signed in, make sure you have your login details handy. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads home, which serves as a hub for all your advertising activities. On the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Here, you'll see a menu on the left featuring key sections that you'll use frequently. Let's focus now on the Campaigns tab, which you can access by clicking on Campaigns from the left side menu. This section is crucial as it houses all your current and past advertising campaigns. Here, you can check the status of your campaigns, make edits, and even create new ones. It's the control room for managing the core of your advertising efforts. Next up on our navigation adventure is the Insights and Reports section. Click on Insights and Reports in the same left side menu. This area offers valuable information such as audience insights, performance evaluations, and trend analysis. It's your go-to place for digging deeper into how well your ads are performing and understanding your audience better. Leveraging these insights can help you refine your strategies for better results. After exploring the insights, you should now click on Dashboards. By doing so, you are led to a customizable interface where you can create visual representations of your key performance indicators. This helps in monitoring metrics that matter most to your business. Dashboards provide a comprehensive view of your ad activities at a glance, making it easier to assess overall performance and spot trends quickly. And there you have it, a quick yet thorough tour of navigating the Google Ads dashboard. Remember, the more familiar you get with each section, the more efficiently you can run your advertising campaigns. Take some time to explore further, and soon you'll be managing your ads like a pro. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to dive deeper into each section to make the most out of your advertising potential.